sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting.
Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm sharing a few things I got in for spring, as well as two very exciting unboxings. One is a little bit more summer inspired and the other is a Louis Vuitton special edition, which I'm just so excited about. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. I'm gonna have to put a little disclaimer in now. If I sound really bunged up, it's because allergy season has officially hit us here in the UK and it's hit me like a ton of bricks. I can't take any allergy medicine because I'm currently pregnant. So this year I'm just having to suffer through it, and there is not a lot of like air movement in my head and nose right now. So if I sound bunged up, that is why. I apologize. So first up are a couple of lady jackets, and if you follow me for a while, you'll know how much I love the lady jacket trend. I'm so happy that it just doesn't seem to be going anywhere. I have quite a collection at the moment, but there are some gorgeous ones for spring, especially in slightly lighter fabrics as well. So this one is a tweed fabric, but it's actually very lightweight, and I think people often think of, you know, autumn and winter, whenever you think of tweed, rightly so, it is more of a heavyweight material, whereas this is done in a very light fabric, so it feels absolutely perfect for when the weather is just about to kind of turn. It's a really lovely ivory color, but it has a little bit of metallic thread running through it as well, so it kind of catches the light in the prettiest way, but it's still very daytime appropriate. It has all this gorgeous fraying as well, which I absolutely love. I feel like it's very French inspired, very chic to throw on, and I just thought this is gorgeous. And you have all these lovely little accent details like the gold buttons, and I'm just so in love with this jacket, and happily it's something that I can actually wear now and also wear post baby as well. I'm super happy with it. It is absolutely stunning. This beautiful jacket is from Goelia, who are nice enough to partner with me on this video. They have the most dreamy new arrivals in, and it's such a different experience for me being pregnant when it comes kind of the warm months, at least visibly so, because last time it was in the dead of winter, so I was really covering up. Whereas now, all the floaty dresses, I feel like it's a much kind of nicer, more feminine time to be pregnant. And they have some stunning pieces. So everything here is non-maternity. I sized up where necessary, but they're all just really gorgeous, lovely pieces for spring, summer and beyond. And I'm just so in love with the items that I got. So I will go ahead and link everything down below if you're interested. I will put my size as reference, but I'll also pop in my regular size as well, because as I mentioned, for some pieces I did size up. They were also nice enough to give me a discount code as well, and this works site-wide. There are literally no exclusions. Everything that I'm featuring here today is included in the code, including my gorgeous jacket. So I will pop that code on the screen. I will also leave all the details in the description section if you did want to check anything out. And I also want to do a little call out that my blue jacket is back. If you missed this the first time round, it is just like the quintessential gorgeous lady jacket. And I actually managed to wear it through pretty much all seasons last year. I wore it in spring, summer and autumn as well. I felt like it went with everything. I wore it with shorts and I thought it worked beautifully. Also teamed it with jeans, like I wore it all the time, and it is the most gorgeous thing. Like, it's beautifully lined, very soft. The quality is incredible. Like, it feels like a much more expensive piece. You have really lovely kind of shoulder tailoring, so there's a little bit of padding but nothing too crazy. Again, you kind of have a metallic thread that runs through, but it's nothing too crazy, so it still works beautifully today. You have those beautiful gold braided buttons, and this is just the best jacket. So if you missed out on it first time, I would highly recommend. It's pretty much just my favourite lady jacket. I think it is stunning and just so timeless. Similarly, if you're into your French inspired pieces, then I would highly recommend their little twin set, which is just French elegance at its finest. I think it is so stunning. It comes in two pieces, so you can actually mix and match. This works beautifully with other items, and you can also team the skirt with pretty much everything because it's just such a classic A-line black skirt. It is so useful and versatile. It looks great with a little bodysuit. If you wanted to pair it together, I think it makes for the most adorable twin set. It is so cute. You have this adorable trim right here. So it's like a cream background and then the black trim, and then you have these pearl button details all the way through, which just gives it the most luxurious finish. It's the prettiest thing. This one is also back in stock for the new season as well, works with the discount code, and is just the most gorgeous thing. And then I do have another lady jacket, and this is quite similar in terms of the colorway to the first one, but it's a little bit smarter in terms of the finishing. So if you wanted something to really smarten up a pair of jeans, or if you wanted something for work, I thought this would be absolutely perfect. It doesn't have that fraying detail, so it just looks a little bit neater and more polished. You also have these beautiful pearl buttons, and I always feel like Goelia do the best buttons. Like, they really put a lot of care and attention into them, and it just shows in little details like this. Like, they have just the right amount of sparkle, nothing too crazy, and I think they are the most stunning things. Fully lined as normal, so it feels great on your skin. It's a very neat kind of boucle tweed as well, but again, very lightweight, so absolutely perfect for spring summer. You have a little bit of molding on the shoulder, but nothing too crazy, just enough to give you a really nice silhouette. And I just love these jackets so much, and I think they've just completely nailed these spring versions. And then this baby pink number, and I don't wear too much pink clothing, I'd say now. I'm much more kind of leaning towards baby blues and more neutrals and things like that. But when I saw this, I couldn't resist. I thought it was the prettiest thing. And this one again, it's very lightweight and it has more of that fraying detail, so it feels a little bit more casual. Obviously, it's still a lady jacket, so it is still quite smart and formal, but it just makes it feel a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more fresh and modern. And I just think this is gorgeous. It has that metallic thread running through as well, but it's so subtle that you'll just not even notice it until it kind of moves in a really nice way in the light. Has full lining, very, very soft on your skin, and of course it comes with some gorgeous buttons. These are kind of like a light champagne gold, so they don't read as like a full-on yellow gold, so I think they're going to be super neutral. Goes beautifully with the baby pink. You have those nice pocket details there as well. I just want to be living with these. I'm so excited that I can actually wear these now as well as post baby. I just think they are so elegant and chic, and just the easiest way of dressing up your outfit. And then I have a couple of gorgeous floaty dresses, the first of which is this stunning blue number, and I thought this was just the prettiest thing. It's kind of got like a hint of silver to the blue, so it's a very, very light blue, very ethereal, very floaty, and just generally lovely. This one comes with a little flower attachment, so you can attach this anywhere you want on the dress. I love how you have that flexibility, so you can put it on the collar, you can even do it on the back if you want to, you can do it on the waistband, like you can do it literally anywhere, or you can leave it off if you prefer a plainer look. So super, super versatile. It just ties right there at the back, and then it is just a very floaty, gorgeous number. It is obviously fully lined, so it's completely opaque. You don't have to worry about showing anything, but the double layer does just make it feel very whimsical, and I just think this is beautiful. Obviously very helpful for me right now as well with the added volume, but yeah, just so easy to wear, really nice to dress up or down. I feel like this will work beautifully with sandals, also really lovely with some heels as well, and I just think this is the most gorgeous, beautiful dress. And then very similar to that, they do have a whole range of really beautiful baby blue pieces. Couldn't resist this dress as well. I just thought this was so lovely. This one has a gorgeous pleat detail, if you'll be able to see this. So it starts off kind of structured pleats and then it flares out. So it's very, very floaty, very fun to wear, very easy to throw on. I feel like this is the kind of thing that even when it's absolutely boiling hot outside, this is still going to make you look so pulled together while still being very airy, very comfortable to wear. And just the prettiest shade of blue. Like, I'm always such a sucker for a lovely blue shade, and I think this is absolutely stunning. Just fastens very simply at the back with a button, so nothing too crazy. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this. So super gorgeous, and just the floatiest, dreamiest thing. Next up is this dress, and it is just the most beautiful thing. It looks and feels so much more expensive than it actually was, and I just think it is stunning. It kind of has like a 3D flower effect. I'm going to try and do close-ups so you see what I mean, but it is absolutely beautiful in real life. So it has like a shift effect, and I sized up because obviously I have to accommodate a big bump, but I think this would look good on absolutely everyone. It does come with ties, so I'm just tying mine above the bump, otherwise it goes on your normal waist. And then it has kind of like a tiered effect on the bottom. There's actually a little bit of tulle there as well, so you have a bit more volume to pad it out. And it's just like the most gorgeous dress. I feel like this would work perfectly if you're lucky enough to take a little trip to Paris, like strolling down the streets of Paris, eating some French pastries, and just wearing this dress is like what dreams are made of. It is so, so beautiful. Probably the one I'm most excited about wearing, and yeah, I'm just over the moon with this. I think it is stunning. And now for my kind of double bag unboxing. So first up is my slightly more summer ready one, but I did mention this in my previous video that I ordered the new Givenchy raffia clutch from My Trees, and it did arrive. So it came in the beautiful My Trees packaging, and then inside is the Givenchy dust bag. I do have the little raffia clutch, and I mentioned in my previous video, I think it's right there, I have my Fendi raffia clutch, which I got, I want to say maybe 5 years ago, maybe even a little bit longer. And honestly, it's become such a useful clutch, and I feel like every single year we see raffia styles, which I always love, but I think a lot of people sleep on clutches, which are actually such a nice way of incorporating the trend, because it's not always practical to carry around like a really big basket bag, especially if you're going on holiday, whereas something like this is super portable, really incorporates that raffia touch, but is actually very functional as well. I love the fact this one came with a wristlet as well, and they really did a lot to dress it up in terms of the hardware. So I will do a close-up, but you have that really lovely Givenchy logo right there with a kind of 3D cube effect. It's super cool, and I feel like it really does add a lot of detail to it. And then you have the raffia all over, so it's plain on the back, and then on the front you have the embroidered Givenchy logo right there. Zip open like so, very smooth zip as well. And then on the inside you have a fabric lining with one pocket right there at the back. And apart from that, it's just very simple and plain. I actually think I'm going to be able to fit a decent amount inside. And I think this is just so gorgeous. So I was very thrilled with this, even like the little details like the embroidered trim on the side there. You do have a leather base as well, so it adds a nice bit of structure while also protecting it. And I just think this is gorgeous. I felt like the price was pretty good as well, like considering what it is and all the little details. I feel like it was priced more like a pouch than a proper clutch, which is always very welcome. And yeah, I just need some very sunny, lovely weather now. And now for my very special Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this is part of the Cherry Blossom collection. As soon as I heard about this, I really hoped I was going to be able to get my hands on something. I actually ordered 2 pieces. So the other one, they're both supposed to arrive at the same time, but the other one still has, I think, 7 weeks left or something like that. And this randomly like turned up the next day. So I was really shocked at how quickly this one arrived. Initially, I thought I would keep both just because I was so excited about the collection, but having seen it, it's a little bit brighter than I anticipated, and I wonder now if I should only keep one, but I think I'm going to have to make that decision before the other bag arrives. So I'll explain a little bit more in a second, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. I was expecting some, you know, on-theme packaging, but it is just the normal Louis Vuitton packaging. So you do get a bag, and then the invoice, the receipt, and all that jazz. And then inside is the box. It did come with a ribbon, but I've already undone that. Okay, so inside is the Louis Vuitton Bologna, if that's how you say it, but it's basically a lovely little shoulder bag. You do have 2 strap options with it, which I always really love. So you have this really lovely little gold chain, and you also have a leather strap as well, and this one's adjustable, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but you can also wear it as a crossbody too. This is obviously a standard design for Louis Vuitton, so you can get the plain version, but the Cherry Blossom does come with the adorable Cherry Blossom print. You have the vachetta on the corners there, and then on the inside you have the stunning pink lining, which, if I wasn't already sold on the print, like, the lining is just so pretty, and I think really just adds a special touch to the whole collection. This one does also come with 2 zips as opposed to 1, so you can actually meet them in the middle rather than just going to one side, which I really like. Yeah, I was so excited to see this collection back. I think the original was, what, 20 years ago? And it was just beyond the realms of possibility that I could get something from it, but I lusted after it so hard. So when I heard they were bringing it back and I actually can afford to get things now, I was just so excited. I went for this one, and I also went for the Papillon, which was the main bag that I wanted. That's the one that I made a beeline for. This is the same one that Charlotte wore in Sex and the City. She had the lighter colorway, but I always remember that bag and scene, and I always loved Charlotte's style, so that is the bag that I wanted to get. That one is on order. I'm keeping everything crossed that they don't cancel my order, but as soon as that hopefully arrives, I will definitely show that. The print is a little bit brighter than I was expecting though. When I first ordered them, I did think I'd keep them both just because I'm so excited about the collection. But having seen this, I do wonder if it's going to limit the usability. So I'm thinking maybe I should only keep one, but I think I'm going to have to make that decision before I see the other one, because that's not due for another 7 weeks. So if you have any thoughts, let me know in the comment section, especially if you've seen either one of these or both of them. Would be so helpful. Let me know your thoughts down below. But yeah, I'm just very excited about the line. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited that they're bringing it back. And then sharing a couple more clothing pieces, I also got this absolute dream of a dress, and I thought this was just so stunning. It's a beautiful, deep, vibrant red colour. This one also has more of a floaty design, and it has a tiered skirt effect with these ruffle details on the bottom. Super cute. It comes with little ties as well, so you can stitch in the waist. Obviously I'm doing above the bump, but otherwise it would go naturally. And then you do have the button closure right there on the back. It does come with a little slip as well, which is completely separate. So you do just layer it under, and I think it is the prettiest effect. Very floaty, very ethereal as well. And I'm just all about these dresses. Very handy for me as well because obviously super pregnant, but I just thought this is gorgeous and the colour is the loveliest thing. And then sticking to that kind of ethereal dress theme, how beautiful is this? So this one is a full-on shift dress, so it really kind of floats down. It's more of like a maxi dress style. It's a lovely kind of bright summer white, and you have these absolutely beautiful black applique butterflies. How gorgeous those. They have a double layer, so there's like a layer of tulle as well as a solid layer over the top, with a little bit of beading too, so it creates the prettiest effect. I don't feel like it's too much, it just adds a little bit of accent and detailing. And I just think it is stunning. It does come with a tie strap as well, so you can fit it how you want. It actually also comes with a little cardigan if you wanted to wear it as a little duo, or you can wear them separately too. I thought this was lovely. Again, very light and airy. So even though it is double layered, so it's fully opaque, it still feels very light and breezy, perfect for even when the weather does get very warm. I feel like I'm just gonna be living in things like this for the next few months. And then finally, I have this adorable little cardigan, and this one doesn't button all the way down at the moment for obvious reasons, but I'm hoping it will in, 10 weeks or so, however long is left. But I just thought it was beautiful. The detailing on it is so pretty. So it kind of is a scallop, but it's like a knit scallop. So it's really, really pretty. You have a little bit of sparkle throughout. So it's a fine knit, and when you just kind of catch it in the light, you just have like a hint of sparkle, just really, really subtle. I love the fact they do this with so many of their fabrics because it just means that they move and catch the light in the prettiest way. And I just think this is so charming and a really nice way of kind of wearing that ladylike trend. If you didn't want to go for like a full jacket, I think something like this is perfect. So easy to wear, just throw it on and go, and it is just the most gorgeous little thing. So that wraps up this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. As usual, I will link everything in the description section if you did want to check anything out. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.